Hello again, everyone. Let's talk about the battery on the Paiseec L5 mobility scooter. Unlike most mobility scooters where the battery's on the deck, the battery here is under the seat. You just pull the seat out, it's attached with Velcro. Here's the battery. Lift up the carrying handle, pull it up. It's a lithium-ion battery. Let me read the specs on it. It's a 24-volt, 10 amp hour battery, so comes out to 250 watt hours. Now, you should be able to take this on an airplane, but check with your local airline. Sometimes they have more stricter rules on what batteries you can and can't take with you. To charge up the scooter, most people will just charge it through the tiller. Here's the charger. The green light's on, which either means it's not plugged into the battery or it's fully charged. Here's the charging port on the tiller.
Charging in progress.
And it's nice, it talks to us and lets us know that it's charging. We could have also charged the battery directly. We pull it back out. Their charging port should be on here somewhere. Here it is. It's clearly labeled charging port. Let's plug that in. Obviously, we're not getting the audible message from the scooter, but we do see that the charger is changing to red, and it'll change to green when it's fully charged. I've sort of taken it for granted because my knees are in good shape, but if you had to remove the battery, you don't have to bend down as far. Other scooters, you'd have to go all the way to the ground, basically, in order to remove the battery. Let's just put this battery back in. Just drops in. Put the seat back, and we're ready to go. Here's a photo of the exact specifications on the battery. I think I said it was 24 volts, but here you'll see it's actually 25.2 volts DC, 262.08 watt hours. If you do plan to fly on a commercial airline, you'll need to give these numbers and show this label to the airline. Now we've switched from the Paiseec L5 mobility scooter. This is a Paiseec S3 mobility scooter. This is my personal scooter. I love it. It's the most comfortable scooter on the market. And it's also fast. It goes 6 miles an hour. That's why I think I like it. But here you can see, like most mobility scooters, the battery pack is on the deck. So if you need or want to remove the battery, you need to basically get on the floor on your knees to pull it out. It's still very simple to pull out, but if you don't have the mobility to go all the way down that far, then something like the L5 is a great fit. While I'm waiting for the scooter to charge up, point out a couple things. The armrests do fold down if you don't want to use them. The cushion, the rear cushion, and the bottom cushion are padded. I don't know if I'd want to sit on here for 12 hours in a day, but it's more comfortable than most of the budget, compact, folding scooters that I've tested before. Let me roll it back a little so you can see the tiller. The grips are pretty padded. They're nice. If you're holding on to them, you're not going to really hurt your wrists all day. And the tiller's adjustable. Let's put it all the way down position, and then we'll put it in all the way up position. And you can also adjust the angle of the tiller. Let's do that. Forward, back, and you would just set it where you want it to go. Make sure that's snug, because you don't want it coming loose while you're riding the scooter. I'm really a geek and an engineer, so I like to look underneath and take things apart, But I won't take the scooter apart, but looking underneath, here you can see the motor, the electromagnetic lock, and the controller. Here's a shot of the entire underside of the L5 scooter. You can see all the components, the motor, the controller, the frame, the wheels, the suspension. On the Paiseec website, they say the frame is manufactured from a magnesium alloy. I actually minored in material science in college, so just throwing the term alloy around kind of drives me crazy. Alloy just means that it's a mixture of two or more elements. In this case, one is magnesium. My best guess is the other component is aluminum. It's definitely not steel because a magnet won't stick to it. So it is a lightweight frame and probably pretty strong. I've been riding around and there's been no issues. Thank you for watching.